There's an old truism in sales. Sales is nothing more than the transfer of the enthusiasm of the seller for the product or service to the buyer. When we are up at the podium, out there on stage, standing up in front of the room to speak, we are selling. Firstly, we are selling our personal brand. The next thing we are selling is our message, the conclusion we have reached, the insight we have gained. Of course, we have to be strong and have a strong base in the subject matter. Given we have the expertise to speak on the subject, and given that we realize we are selling ourselves, our company and our message to the audience, then we need to add the magic ingredient of enthusiasm. The way to be enthusiastic is to speak on a subject or an aspect of a subject which lights your inner fire. Inside your profession, there are bound to be aspects which you feel very strongly about. So talk about those and your enthusiasm will naturally emerge. By combining our belief in our message with an enthusiastic delivery, we will carry the audience with us. That combination is unbeatable.